All right, so for this one, so one of the strategies that you use sometimes is to convert everything into sine and cosine. And let's do that. So this I have to change into what? What's cotangent the same as?
Cosine over sine.
Cosine theta over sine theta. I'm even going to use color coding so you can see what I'm changing each time. So this is cosine theta over 1, and this is just sine theta. And I'm writing over 1 just because I know I'm going to have to write this as fractions, right? So now what do I do? In order to make these two, see how I've got two terms here? In order to make them into one term, so I'm kind of keeping an eye on my answer. In order to make them into one term, what do I have to do?
Bottom denominator.
I have to get a common denominator on the bottom. So I'm going to now multiply. I'm going to multiply, and again, you can leave this to your reader to fill in the gaps. But I'm going to write sine squared theta over sine theta plus cosine squared theta over sine theta.
Where do you get the sine squared?
Well, what did I do? So this is where you can leave your reader to fill in the gaps. Can you see?
Yeah, I see.
I multiplied by sine over sine.
Yep.
You don't have to like write that out. You can just, as long as you show one step at a time, your teachers are okay with that.
Okay.
Because the teachers can do that. The math teachers have experience and they know how to see where you went from one step to the next.
Okay.
You follow? All right, so that equals what now? That equals sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta all over sine theta,
That's cosecant.
which equals, what does this
1
thing
over
equal?
sine.
1 over sine, which equals cosecant. So now fill in the blanks again. Remember, they want you to, so write your cosecant theta. You're basically working on one side of the equal sign, and you're showing that the left side eventually equals the right side.
I forgot we did this in Algebra 2J.